How to create a lead. To create a lead, simply go up here and click Create Lead. This will open up the Create Lead form. In this form, you can enter all the information about the new lead that you have collected. First thing you need to enter is the company name, followed by the first name of the person, their last name, and their title. If you have a source of where you met this person, you can select it from this drop-down. If you have an industry for this particular lead, you can also select it from this drop-down. All the options under source and industry can be modified under preferences. This can only be done by an administrator. Under categories, you could assign an open category to this particular lead. Then under reference 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can enter open keys that you could later use to filter by different types of leads. Under price code, you could choose whether this lead is going to receive price A, B, C, or D, and these are directly linked to products and services, meaning that if they have a particular price point, then you could just choose that at this point. So when you generate a quote or an invoice for this particular lead, then it will automatically choose that price. Or simply leave it blank if you don't have price points. To the right, you have your lead statuses. Every lead starts out as a new lead, and then as soon as you enter a note or an activity, it will automatically move to in progress. You do not have to change it manually. Then when you decide to convert the lead into an account, it will automatically become close won. You can also manually set the status to close lost if you decide not to continue pursuing this lead, or if you haven't touched bases with this particular lead for some time, then you could set it as a cold lead. Now let's leave it as new lead for now. You could also set the level of interest of this particular lead as high, medium, or low. Let's go ahead and set it as high. Next thing to do is enter the phone number. You could also enter an alternate phone number, such as an 800 number, a fax number, a mobile number, a website, an email address, and a secondary email address, if any. Notice that the first email address is the one that CRMBOOST uses to send out email blasts and email campaigns. The second email is only for reference purposes. Now let's scroll down and you'll be able to enter your billing information and your shipping information. Let's go ahead and enter the billing information. You can enter the city, state, and zip code, and the country. If your shipping information is the same, simply move over to Same as Bill to and click that button. We'll copy it over. Now, if you have any initial notes, go ahead and enter them here. Finally, you can scroll back up and click the Save button to save this lead. If you have additional leads to enter, you could click Save and New, which will save this lead information and open up the same form so you could enter the next one. Let's go ahead and click Save. Notice that the system has found duplicates. It's giving you a duplicate alert. CRMBOOST searches through companies, first name, last name, phone numbers, and email address to find possible duplicates. At this point, you could check against information that already exists in the system to see if the company information or contact information or phone number might be a duplicate. You could also see who the owner is of that particular lead or account, and then decide whether or not to save it or cancel. If you decide to save anyways, just click Save Anyways. And we have successfully added the lead ABC Company. Now to start working with this lead, simply click ABC Company, and it will open up the lead detail with the information that we just entered. And this is how you create a new lead.